Today we have a big box from my friends over at Integrated Engineering, and as you can see by the title of this video, we're gonna do some downpipes on the SQ5. So let's get this opened up, a little unboxing action, which I know everybody on the internet loves. Are there staples in this box? That's my son saying hi to everybody. You would think that I'd be better at this given how many boxes I've opened, especially on camera. I'm still not very good at it. Well, the first thing first, we gotta open up this guy, which, oh, I thought this was something else. This is what I'm looking for, I think. And this may be a preview into future videos. Nope, this is also exhaust stuff. Oh, here it is. This is a preview into future videos. It's actually stuck in there, but if you can guess what is about this size and round and goes on the top of something, you know what this is. That's coming in the near future once we make a pass on stage 1. But here is the reason we are here today. The Integrated Engineering non-resonated downpipes for the SQ5. They also make these for S4 and S5, but these are the non-resonated downpipes for the SQ5, and I could not be more excited for these things. I've been saying how the AW touring for the SQ5 is like quieter than the touring that I had on my S4. Some of it may have to do with the pipe on the SQ5 is a little bit longer and the car overall is a little bit longer, but I think the downpipe resonators are a little bit bigger too. Just to make it clear, the downpipes on the 30T do not contain catalytic converters, so they just contain one resonator. So by doing non-res downpipes, all you're really doing is deleting a resonator. The cats are in the headers, which you can replace with test pipes. I'm excited for these. I think it's gonna make the SQ5 sound awesome. Let's get over to my friend Billy's shop and we will get these installed. Everybody's convinced that you need a crowfoot. You did it last time with no crowfoot. No. So today we're gonna give away all your secrets. And we're gonna get these bolts off. All right, you're scaring me a little bit here. Oh, it's just this clamp. Problem solved. You don't like my helmet? Is that custom? You have that airbrushed yourself? That helmet's custom, yeah. Snap on. These clamps are old, and we're actually not going to reuse them. Integrated does a whole different clamp system, which you'll see later. But Billy went ahead and took care of the stubborn one in a very straightforward and safe manner. All right, well, for all the crow's foot people out there, Billy just did it with no crow's foot. Gotta come into the light here. A little bit of Freol sprayed on there. Have an adult beverage while you wait. Did I jinx you? All right. What was the tool you used? That one. So, little tiny ratchet. It sneaks up in there. You heated it. Freoled it. Snuck this guy up in there, and that was all she wrote. We got both of them out, no crow's foot. So, you also need a trained professional like Billy. Can you loosen the rear, loosen the front? Bye-bye. So this big resonator is what we're deleting with the straight section here. I guess you could go to an exhaust shop and get this chopped out, but same thing, you know. The main difference is that we have this attachment for it, so it necks down to stock pipe size, you can see that. And then this actually slides over the exhaust, and that way, you know, everything works out. Integrated provides new hardware and gaskets, so slide the bolts through. We're gonna slide the downpipes up, and bada bing, bada boom, as they say. Much better. Oh, there you go. No leaks. Downpipes installed, no leaks. Thank you, Billy. Much better. Before we get to the other sound clips, of course, we have to do the most important sound clip. Much better. Oh, I could not be happier with these. The sound overall, as you can hear from those clips, is freaking awesome. The touring was just not loud enough for me, and the touring is going to be plenty loud for a lot of the SQ5 people out there. I do have a newborn. If you guys didn't know, I'm a dad now, by the way. My guy just turned 4 months on Sunday. I do have a newborn. Doesn't seem to bother him. It's not like obscenely loud, but it definitely, like, the car has presence that it didn't have before, and also the little overrun pops that were kind of locked up in the touring are much more audible now, especially on downshifts. Not sure if that comes through on camera or not. I'll do the downshifter first here. You can hear kind of the pop, pop, pop. Let me get up to speed here. We're doing 70, that's 7th gear. Watch when I drop into 8th. The sound's gone. This is me floored in 8th. There's almost no noise. I can just drop the window. Actually, overall, I cannot say enough good things about this exhaust setup. It doesn't drone, it's loud, it announces the car's presence. This has just the right amount of rasp where it's definitely still there, and at some frequencies it's a little bit too much for me personally. I like a nice clean tone, but it's just so good when you like really, really rev it out. Those clips that you heard at the top of the rev range, I think it sounds unbelievable. You hear those little pop-pops? That's not the tune doing that. This guy's about to hit me. Okay. That's not the tune doing that. That is actually the car. I'm gonna go ahead over here. Awesome. Overall, huge thanks to my friends over at Integrated. They make an awesome product. They also make tunes. They make intakes if you have an S4. They make their own supercharger pulleys. They have a lot of good stuff. And their tune is the record holder for the S4 chassis. And maybe soon the record holder for the SQ5 chassis if I man up and go dual pulley at some point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything integrated engineering, shoot them an email. They're super responsive on customer service. Let me know your thoughts on the comments on what the car sounds like. Is it too much for you, or is it just right? Because it's just right for me. And you know, if you want. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, which I'm on my way to right now because we're going on the drag strip. Bye.